in the previous lecture we have learnt about enterprise application integration. Today we will study about need for enterprise wise integration, its advantages and type of EAI. So today we will discuss about the need for enterprise wise integration. As we know that enterprise application integration is a way by which we can provide integration to various systems. Now, what is its need? When we need sharing of data and business processes across an organization, we need enterprise wide integration. So, point number one, sharing of data and business processes across an organization. Point number two, when we want to link different users like linkage of customers, suppliers, and regulators. When we want to link business processes data application so that we can automate the business processes. Point number third, in order to provide automation to business processes by linking data, business process, and applications. Next point, we can provide consistent qualities, means ensure consistent qualities of service, for example security, reliability, etc. And when we want to reduce the ongoing cost, means reduction of ongoing cost of maintenance and reduce the cost of rolling out a new system. So it means the need for enterprise wise integration is in the reduction of cost. Now we have different types of enterprise application integration. One is we can provide integration at data level, that is process techniques and technology of moving data between data stores. So This is the integration at the data level by which process techniques and how we can move a data from one place to another place. So this type of integration is of data level integration. Now we can provide integration at application interface level also. Now in this we can provide custom and full support of an application. Now third one is at method level, means we can share the business logic. Fourth one, we can provide integration at user level also. In this, what we can do, we can provide a common point for user integration. Providing a common point of entrance. So these are the four types of EAI, that is at data level, at application interface level, at method level, and at last the user level integration. Now we have some challenges also. Challenges of EAI. When we do integration are: number one, EI, we have to provide a hub and spoke architecture. This is very difficult to maintain. We need to provide heavy customization, and this led to added complexity and additional processing efforts. Now lack of it also lacks of flexibility. Lack of flexibility, it means often built using priority technology and required specialized skills. So thank you very much.